Aloha everybody, I'm Cheryl Hamilton from Create with Cheryl, and I'm excited to tell you about my July creative card class. This, if for those of you who aren't familiar with this, my monthly creative card class consists of 4 cards that are inspired by a set or bundle that I've chosen, and you'll get everything to make the cards plus $25 worth of product for just $40. And the stamp set or bundle is not included. You'll need to purchase those. If you're a demonstrator, buy them yourself or purchase from your regular demonstrator, or of course purchase them from me if you'd like. So for July, we're going to be focusing on Happy Hibiscus bundle, which I've used a lot. So here's the stamp set, and I don't know if you can see it very well. This is the embossing folder, and also included with this is are all the dies to go with this set. So you would need this to make the cards. Let me show you the cards. You're going to love them. So the first one is a little aloha one. Isn't that so neat? It's got this woven designer series paper in the back, and these look like plumerias, and I just think this one's beautiful. So that's the first card you'll be able to put together. Card number 2 uses another really pretty designer series paper. I'm trying to show you different ways to use this hibiscus bundle because a lot of my customers have purchased this and they're not real sure about the hybrid embossing folder and things like that. So this one is just a way to show you how to use that hybrid bundle and stamp with it and cut them out. The third card is really pretty colors like this too. This one is uses some white embossing on there, and then you use your brush, your sponge stamping brush to just brush some color onto these, and they're not even embossed, they're just plain cut out. And the last one is very fun. It's a little aloha shirt I'll show you how to make, and then this hibiscus is embossed, and I've just used a brush again to put some color on there. Isn't that fun? So you'll learn how to make all of those, and along with your card kits, you're going to get a quarter of design series paper packets. So I'm trying to give you samples of these so that you can see, you know, if you wanted to get more. This one is woven textures. So you can see some of these. This is like La Hala weave, and I don't know how to show you these, and it's just a very generic, really neat designer series paper. You could use it for lots of masculine cards or whatever. Ooh, the second one is really pretty. I doubt if you'll have this. Well, you might. It's called oops, I lost it. It's called Thoughtful Designs Specialty Designer Series Paper. Now look how this is so beautiful. It has a bunch of different colors in it. Some Calypso coral and pink. This is like a Cajun craze. And sorry, mine's kind of been chopped up. That looks like Lost Lagoon and Old Olive. So you'll get a quarter of a pack of that. And here's the last one. This one I used with the Aloha shirt card. It's called Floral Impressions. And these are the ones I used on that card, but it's got lots more colors in it. Let me see some. It has some sunflowers like this. And the yellows. And along with all those designer series paper, you're going to get a pack of 2024 through 26 in color flat pearls. These are iridescent and very pretty, easy to mail too because they're pretty flat. And one little Stampin', what do you call these? The blending brush, that's what it is. So one blending brush in case you don't have these so that you can make your cards and play around with this. Okay, so you've got by the 10th of the month to register for this, and I will mail them out by the 20th, and I'm talking July. To find these, you go on over to Create with Cheryl and go under Shop with Me, and there's a little section that says Monthly Creative Card Class. So I hope you guys join me, and thanks so much for your time today. Aloha.